On this Valentine's Day, 39 years ago, it was our first Valentine's together. And I didn't know if he'd planned anything. I didn't know what we were going to do that night. I remember I was home folding laundry, and Dave walked in the door with his friend Paul to watch a basketball game. Maybe you can imagine how miffed I was. I remember that Paul himself said, after a few very agonizing moments, maybe we should do this another night. And that was not our first fight, but one of many. Dave and I eloped. So we had only been married 8 months at this point. And I think the day after we eloped, both of us looked at each other and thought to ourselves, what have I done? We weren't ready to be married, but we were married. We had done it very, very impulsively. But you know what? The great thing about being a Christian and really abiding by what you know God's word to say is that we just didn't entertain the thought of divorce. So even though it was difficult and we fought a lot those first 2 years, let me tell you, we stuck it out, and today I could not be more grateful. But all that to say that back then, I wanted to be pampered. I wanted Dave to think of me first. I wanted him to surprise me. I wanted a lot of things. And fast forward 39 years, and Dave said to me, how about if we make a reservation for a name of expensive restaurant in town? I won't even say it. And my eyes got big and I said, that's a lot of money. And I said, you know what, why don't we just do something quiet and low-key? Why don't we stay home? I'm the one that's changed. I would say Dave has changed too, but I've changed to where I really value being home and quiet and away from the fray and the activity and the chaos, just the two of us together. And I don't even mind cooking on Valentine's Day. So way back when Dave decided that God really was calling him to be a pastor, our life took a dramatic turn because we had built up quite a life with him working at a local paper factory. And he was a journeyman, so he was making good money. But when he decided that God was calling him into the ministry, it really changed things for us. And we were living on very, very little. And I'll tell you what, I'm so grateful for those days because it taught me all the important things I needed to know about depending on God. So for many, many, many years, going out on Valentine's Day wasn't even an option. And what I did every year, I'll show you some pictures, was because Dave loves meatloaf so much, I made him a heart-shaped meatloaf. And we always had mashed potatoes and peas to go with that. Fortunately, I had found at the thrift store a heart-shaped set of baking dishes. And that was our meal for many, many years. And, then once in a while we would go out, but at heart, we love to be at home alone together, just a quiet night, and that's what we're going to do again tonight. So let me show you what we have made this year. What I love about Valentine's Day so much is that after the frenzy and the fun of Christmas, Valentine's Day is relatively easy. All you have to do is throw some heart-shaped things out there and you've got yourself a celebration. So today I'm going to show you how to make that meatloaf that we love so much, although this is a recipe I've only been doing for about 7 or 8 years. And each of these are going to be little individual meatloaf shapes, but also the mashed potatoes, I'm going to show you how to turn those into cheesy potato puffs, little individual hearts, along with broccoli with heart-shaped butter. That couldn't be easier. And for dessert, I've made palmiers 2 ways, one with Nutella and one with red and white sugar. So this is a super simple and budget-friendly way to celebrate Valentine's Day the way I really think it should be celebrated, quietly and alone together. Hope you stick around and watch all the fun.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smiling. There's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like
supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
So there you go, a very easy and budget-friendly Valentine's meal. I hope that you give it a try. And on this Valentine's Day, I just want to say I love you guys. I'm thankful for you, and I really mean that. You've encouraged me so much, and I'm grateful for every one of you. So I hope this is a wonderful day for you and that we get together again soon. Happy Valentine's Day.